Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add heart bubble effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom, this one, and then click on a video effect, and at the menu you can click on love. And after this, you can swipe down until you can see heart bubble, this one, and then you just click on it, and in here you just click on a check icon. Now you can adjust the effect, so you just click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the speed and then for the opacity like this, and after this you can click check icon in here. And now you can set the effect until the end of the video. And finish. So that's how to add heart bubbles effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.